Welcome back to Trading.Biz. I'm Joel Lim, seen on Business Insider, MSN, Yahoo Finance, and more. Today we're diving into artificial intelligence stocks. While many AI stocks are skyrocketing to new highs, finding the undervalued stocks can be a real challenge. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'll be highlighting two AI stocks that I believe are destined for massive returns in 2024. Let's get started. First up, we have UiPath, a major player in the robotics process automation or RPA sector. UiPath has been having its best year yet on the stock market, and for good reason. Combining RPA with AI has propelled this sector to new heights, making it one of the most exciting sub-industries within the AI landscape. In the last quarter of 2023, UiPath reported an annual recurring revenue or ARR of $1.46 billion. That's a 22% increase from the previous year. This growth is a testament to the demand for UiPath's products and the efficiency of its subscription-based model. Innovators are sure winners in the stock market, and UiPath is certainly an innovator. This is its biggest strength and will ensure that it wins big in the market. Now let's talk about SoundHound AI. This company is making waves in the intersection of AI and entertainment. SoundHound AI has quickly gained diverse clientele, including big names like Mercedes, Netflix, and MasterCard. Over the last 6 months, SoundHound AI has recorded an impressive 200% gain, which could increase even more thanks to the ongoing AI stock boom. Moreover, SoundHound AI has caught the attention of industry giants like NVIDIA, which owns over 1.7 million shares in the company. This kind of backing from a leading AI company further underscores SoundHound AI's potential as an undervalued stock, waiting to explode in the stock market. UiPath and SoundHound are two undervalued AI stocks that I believe could yield massive returns in 2024. As always, make sure to do your own research and consider your own financial goals before investing. But if you're looking to add some AI power to your portfolio, these two companies are definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more investment insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing.